Hello, dear Capricorn. A very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general reading for all the Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. So keep in mind these are general readings. This might or might not resonate with you, and this is a reading till 10th of July, and the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, anytime. Okay, let's start with your reading then. Your partner's current energy right now is. Let's see, Capricorn. Your partner's current energy right now is. Let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is. Star, you could be dealing with an Aquarius. Capricorn, your partner is really very hopeful and positive, and they are doing some kind of spiritual stuff right now in their life. They are going through some kind of spiritual awakening as well. And this guy or girl is really very positive and hopeful about the future. Might be with you or might be in general. Let's clarify further. The star in their current energy. Let's clarify. Nine of Wands, the Death could be dealing with a Scorpio, and the Hermit could be dealing with a Virgo. I feel like this person is deeply sad, deeply heartbroken. This person is deeply depressed, but they are still holding positivity, still very positive and hopeful about this connection. They are feeling like this relationship is over and everything is over between you and them, and now there is no hope, but still they are very hopeful. They are trying to look within. This person is definitely going through a spiritual awakening process, or through a spiritual process of transformation, whether they know it or not. This might be conscious or subconscious or unconscious, you can say, but they are very positive. Although they feel like everything is over between you guys, although this relationship has ended, still they are very positive and hopeful about the future. Okay, regarding this connection, let's see, Capricorn, what's your current energy? Your current energy right now is, let's see, Capricorn, your current energy right now is, let's see, Five of Wands. You are in a conflicted state of mind right now. You are feeling like everybody's fighting with you, everybody's fighting with me without any reason. I'm not getting any answers from the universe. The universe is also against me, and you are conflicted from within as well. So it is like you are in this state of mind right now that everything is against me, nothing is working for me. I am conflicted, I am fighting with everybody, and I'm not getting anything. So I feel like right now this is a game of ego for you. This is what is happening. Let's clarify your current energy, this conflicting energy. Why are you feeling like conflicted? Why are you feeling like this? It is like everybody is fighting with everybody and there's nothing that is coming out. No results, zero. Let's clarify. Two of Swords, Three of Wands, and the Seven of Cups. I feel like you are emotionally off right now, emotionally on the crossroads. You are turning your back towards relationships as of now. You are turning your back from any kind of options in your life right now. I'm talking about relationship options right now. Okay, you are emotionally closed off. You are emotionally hurt. You are on the crossroads. You are not able to decide which way is the best way for you, and you're turning your back and you're waiting for something to happen. Might be you're just waiting for the right time for the connections or for the relationship things in your life. That is why you are right now conflicted. That is why you are feeling conflicted from within, and that is why you are feeling like everything is working against you. Okay, Capricorn. Fine. Let's see what the person feels for you. What this person feels for you. Whomsoever you are connected with, let's see what this person feels for you. The feelings for you. Moon. I feel like you could be dealing with a Cancerian here. So I feel like this person is deeply sad and depressed, and they're not able to decide as well. Right now, their feelings for you are fearful. They're very fearful about reaching you or about talking to you. They are going to feel. They are right now feeling like you are going to reject them, or you are going to reject the proposal of even the friendship thing right now. And this is the fearful energy, and this is confused energy, not able to decide and regretful. Something is there. This is secretive energy. This is, they are feeling for you. They are feeling, might be you are just hiding something from them, or you are not you are not being truthful to them. This is the feeling that they are carrying right now, and they are very afraid of reaching you, scared of reaching you right now, because they are feeling the old cycle is going to repeat itself again. Let's clarify further. Okay, definitely there's something secret. There's some self-receptive energy here. So this person is feeling like you are hiding somebody from them. You are hiding a new connection with them, or you are carrying some kind of emotions for somebody else as well, and you are hiding them. Okay, and you are hiding some kind of things. And I feel like this person is feeling like the universe will, give answers to them, and the universe will help them, and the universe will serve justice to them. So this is the feeling right now. They are right now feeling like you are hiding something. Okay, and or someone from them, and the universe will, give justice to them. This is weird kind of feelings that they are carrying for you, complex feelings, fearful of you, fearful to, reach you, afraid of that. They're scared that there's somebody else also in this equation. you know this is the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. Temperance, this person wants you to be really very very patient. This person wants you to, right now to balance your water, balance your emotions, and right now to not to lose patience right now. And this person wants you to control your temper, control your emotions, and be very very patient. This is what they want from you. This is the temperance card, and this person wants you to be emotionally stable. you know let's clarify. The world, king of swords, and the strength. Okay, so what they want from you is that they want you to finish this unfinished finished. So this person wants you to finish the unfinished business between you guys. Okay, I feel like this person is still feeling like there's something unfinished, there's something yet to be revealed, yet to be, might be a closure or something. They want you to be really honest and open and clear about your intentions, and they want you to come out of this silence zone. Might be you're being very very silent to them, with them, and you're not talking to them, you're not communicating properly with them. And this person wants you to, release your tension, release your anger, release your resentment, and talk to them openly and honestly. This is what they want from you, and they still feel like there's something unresolved, there's something unfinished in this connection. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of July. Let's see what to expect from this person till 10th of July. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, a brand new offer. Might be a new person coming in towards you, and they are offering you some kind of business opportunity. Or the past person is, might be. I'm not saying it is like for only for 10% of you that somebody new is coming towards you with some kind of offer. For rest 90% of you, I feel like there's somebody. Sorry, the past person is coming towards you with an offer of friendship, or with an offer of, starting this connection all over again. This is what you can expect from this person till the 10th of July. You want me to clarify? Okay, I will anyway. Like, let's start. The High Priestess, the Judgment, and the Six of Cups. Yes, this person is listening to their intuition, and their intuition is telling them that you should forgive them, and they should forgive you. Whatever happened between you guys, you should just move on from that situation and start this connection all over again, a rebirth of this connection. And this person wants this connection to be the same as it was in the past. So this is the thing, and that's why they are coming in with a positive energy, with some kind of friendship offer, not love offer here, but some kind of friendship offer, just to start this connection all over again. Okay, Capricorn, so this is what is happening with you guys till the 10th of July. I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight and help you, and thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste.